So in this video we're going to show you how to use and some of the features of the tiny house trailer wireless braking system that we use. We use the Credo system from Trailer Equip. So in essence the system is made up of two major components. You've got a controller box here that's located on the trailer, and then up in the cab you have this unit here. So these two units talk to each other wirelessly. So the beauty of that is you can put this unit into any vehicle you so wish. You don't have to hardwire the vehicle. So in terms of hooking your vehicle up, it's the usual coupling system, and then your usual 7-pin plug goes into your vehicle. And then slight difference here to other trailers is you have a breakaway. So this is a switch, and this end here hooks securely into your vehicle. So the difference here is there's no safety chains. So in the event of an emergency, your trailer becomes disconnected for some horrible reason, that this here pulls out and activates a switch, if I can even pull it out. There we go, she's pretty firm, and that pulls out and the brakes activate. Another component to the trailer is this battery box, access from the top, and it is fused. So this keeps power to the system at all times, so if you do for whatever reason come decoupled, it's got its own power supply. This is an electric braking system. We brake all four wheels with electric drum brakes. Up in the vehicle now, we'll concentrate on the hand unit. So it comes in this nice travel box, storage box. So in here you've got the controller itself, which has got a USB, so cigarette lighter charging for your vehicle. And it also comes with this little mount. So this here is designed to go into your ventilation grills. Just sort of clips in there. Plug your unit in. Pull these little legs out the bottom, and somewhere here there's a button around the back. Squeeze that up. Get it at the right angle. Now you want to turn your ignition on and touch the screen of the controller. The screen lights up. So the screen lights up and gives you a warning that your headlights need to be on. So while you're driving you need your headlights on. So that actually charges that battery in the back. And it'll keep telling you until you do. Turn the headlights on, the little icon at the top with the cross through the P disappears to say that you're all good. So now if you need to turn the unit off, which is just putting it to sleep, hold that Z in the top left corner and touch here for immediate sleep, and it just turns it off if you're not using it. So it stops it beeping at you while your lights are off. So turn it back on, you can just touch it again and you're back into it. So there's a few things on here. So you've got your gain up and down, so you can press that. It says 70, 65, 60. So that there's basically the intensity of the brakes on the trailer. So if you crank that right up to 99, that's going to be the strongest that those brakes will be applied when you brake here. So if the trailer's like a little bit lighter, it might be just the trailer without the tiny house, so not your 3.5 ton load on there. You're probably going to need to crank this back, I don't know, maybe halfway. It's a sort of try it and see thing. It depends on conditions, whether you're driving down a gravel road or it's wet. So you can play with that on the fly. And then on the other one here you've got your adjustment sensitivity. So that's how quickly and aggressively the brakes are applied. 5's the most aggressive, and then it cycles back down to 1 being the least aggressive. So again, you can see if they're coming on too fast and snappy, you you want to turn that down. Again, it's all designed to be adjusted on the fly in the cab. That's why you have this controller within reach of the driver. Before you get going, you just want to check that the brakes are working, and to do that you hold down this emergency brake. So that applies, I think it's 75% of the braking strength, so it's doing 39. If you crank that up to say 99, yeah, it's going to do 72 for the emergency brake. So that's handy if you ever do need to jam those brakes on, you can hold that down, and for this test as well. So we'll do that now just to check that the brakes are working. Your trailer's been parked up for a while. It's pretty important just to check that this battery is fully charged. Manufacturers recommend every 2 months that the battery is charged. I haven't provided every single little detail in this video, but the manufacturer does provide a comprehensive manual to go along with the system. So it's recommended to have a good look through there and understand all of this stuff before you set off on your journey. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have safe travels and enjoy your tiny house. See you on the next one.